Hello, hello, Nitwitch. Welcome back to another video. I'm here. Realizing I'm here to you see what I do for 7. Oh my, so expensive. No, bro. Should I buy the game? Yeah, I think I'll see that.
ASMR, bro.
ASMR. Oh, yeah, I got it. First, we have a gingerbread cookie. Microwaving time.
This is a $1,000 civilization.
Okay. Oh, $200. This made a lot of profit. I need to sit on that sleigh. That singular sleigh. Ooh. Wait, I need chopsticks. Everyone needs chopsticks to play this game, guys. Time to eat. While watching YouTube. Yum, yum, yum. This is not my otherwise I'm not eating that. Yum, yum, yum. It sounds very satisfying. Should I wait? No. I don't know all this means, but I have gingerbread cookies. Very, very good, yeah, one boundary. I have wallet, guys. This is a microwave. Reality games like this. Okay. I am eating more. I'm napping more than I'm eating more. And I'm taking the tactical, guys. But you can't see it, I guess. I do not know. Like, if it's, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Or Fanta can hold up to 3 items at once. I don't want this. But ew! And then, so, ooh, what is this? Oh, wait, can I like to try that in there for this? So I can hear people. Yeah. You know what? You hear that, my little butterfly? Who wants this? Where do I get that seaweed thingy? Oh, there's mochi. Wait, should I? Only new edition.
That's just more of a reason why I can't let this opportunity go to waste. I kept farming for the rest of the day until the sun started to set on the farm, which means it's time to head back in and turn in my crops.
King One Jelly. Oh, that was expensive. Oh no. My life insurance cannot pay this. My insurance cannot pay this. But who cares for the content? Yeah, the content. Ooh, yo. I'm buying every new thing. Wait, I think this is mine. I've never seen this one before. Oh my gosh. I saw that too, but they're not helping us. Okay. What's this? quick payment. Putting on here else. Having a fish. Sure, chicken strips. Sure, can I play? Ew! What was that? Ew! Oh. Who's the hell speaking Japanese? This is open. I haven't seen this one open yet. Currently preparing the apartment update. Apartment update! Oh, really? Chicken. But this is not chicken smell. This is chicken. Not chicken. I cannot see any. Oh, yes. Oh, that's exactly very, very accurate. Oh. Where's the list? Ooh. Yes. Wow. This is as much as my food right now that I'm holding right here. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Chocolate bar. I think. No, wait. Alright. This one, right? No. Oh, what is this? Oh, wait, this is the thing. I never seen this one before. I think the pork tassel. Oh, yeah. Those are good. Dude, this update is getting better and better, bro. Let's have chocolate mochi.
This didn't feel fair. I had to risk my life just to get here. You'd think the least they can do is give me cheap housing. Alright, you're in C67. A guard will come by to collect rent at the end of the week. Alright, thanks. As I made my way out, I couldn't help but think about what I overheard in there. Those guards were clearly talking to some kind of boss. Why would they have mentioned me? At first, it didn't make any sense. But then I remembered. The guy from the farm. He told me he's never met anyone from the $1 civilization. It's clearly not every day that someone like me ranks up. The only thing that makes sense is that maybe I'm not
Can I have your old
maybe they're trying to stop me from ranking up. But why would they do that?
400 now? Dude, what kind of business? What kind of bad business you trying to sell me here, bro? I'm still gonna eat though. For the content. For the content. For the content. Oh, where's double? No. Okay. There you go. Sticks. Oh look, I know this. I think this is a kimball, and then this is pastel, and then this onion rings. I don't know what this is. I know this because I'm Indonesian. I only know the Indonesian name. Very, very good. I'm not stopping this video until I get 50,000. I'm gonna try. I don't want to make the video that long. Wait, I need to check how long it's video. 8 minutes. We can take it more. I got 10 minutes on my 25-minute video. I got more in this one. I'm not stopping it here.
How do you guys even rank up to the $100,000 civilization? No one really does. The only people who have ever made it there have spent pretty much their entire lives saving up. This didn't make any sense. Why would they host events in the $1 civilization but not here? Something's not adding up. So you want me to beg, right? You must be pretty smart. Actually, it was pretty easy. I think I just got lucky. Come on, man. No one wins those events with just a lot.
No.
You have to be something real special to win one of those. I thought you said you didn't know anything about events. I don't. Anyways, can you keep a secret? A secret? Something weird.
No. How am I taking perfect bites out of these anyways? I'm not cheating. I want to play it on TV. This is my money that I wasted, not others. But if you see me, I want food. Glug, glug, glug. I'm hungry for more. Oh, this lag is killing me. You cannot take any. Am I not allowed to take it anymore? Because I'm not gonna say it's out of place. Can I say ads? They're not my friend. Maxwell! Maxwell! Am I lagging? No. I'm gonna leave it there. Yo, dude, can I have more of those? Sorry for me harassing all of the Korean people who died. But it's for the content. I need to it. A summary of my friends. I made a group teams called the Nitwits. 100% all of them. 99% all of them are English speakers, so you'll have a great time there. And if you need an English speaker, we can always speak Indonesian. And if you speak any more languages, I'm not speaking German to you. I only know good morning. Good morning. Yeah, that's how they say it in German, I think. Oh, my breath. Oh.
What do you need my help with tonight?
Kakatu.
Of the night, I'm gonna rob the bank. Yeah, you're insane. I'm leaving. Wait, don't leave. I'm not crazy. I have a plan. At night, the bank is almost completely empty. Just a couple guards out front. But as long as we stay quiet and sneak behind them, we should have no problem getting inside. Once we're all inside, all we have to do is head into the back. There'll be a key card lock on the door, but we have an inside guy, so we should be able to get in. We'll have the entire bowl and whatever's in it all to ourselves. To my surprise, the plan actually kind of made sense. And to be honest, it's that might work.
Hell, no, my name fell. That was rude.
If we get caught robbing,
I was about to say my fellow Nitwits after this.
There's no way
After I buy something, I think if it's taking too long and you don't want to see someone eating because you're gonna get hungry too. So I'm just gonna do one more shopping spree and then I'll just continue playing on. Translate, please. I was just saying, hold on, I'll take Oh, forever. And I just passed it. I was just like, wait, what is that? This. Oh my god! Dude, it's already expensive. Wow, the macaroons cost a lot, but don't worry, I'm rich. I'm gonna get it like under like a minute. I will get all of it back. Okay. Yum yum. Doesn't taste like good. Chips. Yeah, I cannot see anything. Yeah, oh, yummy. Oh, chocolate. Oh, yummy. Pretty good. Oh, strawberry, yummy. Mango ice cream. Why does it taste like that? I thought it was ice cream. Ice cream does not taste like that, guys. Disclaimer, ice cream does not taste like that. A for me. I'm a big Harry Potter fan. That's the only thing. I think that's hi or bye or yeah. In Korean. Oh man, I just want more. So that's it for this video. I will be still eating and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.